An overnight rub of salt and brown sugar is a triple win, seasoning our roast, keeping it juicy, and giving it a caramelized exterior. Place 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar in 1/4 cup of kosher salt in a small bowl and stir to combine. Trim 1 3.5 to 4 pound blade end boneless pork loin roast and tie it with kitchen twine at 1-inch intervals. A blade end roast is our preferred cut, but a center cut boneless loin roast can also be used. Rub the sugar-salt mixture over the entire surface of the roast, making sure the roast is evenly coated. Wrap the roast tightly in plastic wrap. Set the roast in a rimmed baking sheet and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or up to 24 hours. Just before grilling, soak 2 cups of wood chips in water for 15 minutes and then drain them. Any variety of wood chip except mesquite will work. We prefer hickory. Using a large piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil, wrap the soaked chips in an 8 by 4.5 inch foil packet. Make sure the chips do not poke holes in the side or bottom of the packet. Cut 2 evenly spaced 2-inch slits in the top of the packet. Open your charcoal grill's bottom vent halfway. Arrange 25 unlit charcoal briquettes over half the grill, and place one 13 by 9 inch disposable aluminum roasting pan filled with 3 cups of water on the other side of the grill. Light a large chimney starter 2/3 filled with charcoal briquettes, about 4 quarts. When the top coals are partially covered with ash, pour them evenly over the unlit briquettes. Place the wood chip packet on the coals, set the cooking grate in place, cover, and open the lid vent halfway. Heat the grill until hot and the wood chips are smoking about 5 minutes. Adjust the bottom vent as needed to maintain a grill temperature of 300 degrees. Clean the grate using a grill brush and oil the surface using tongs and a wad of paper towels. Unwrap the roast and pat dry with paper towels. Place the roast on the grill directly over the water pan about 7 inches from the heat source. Cover, positioning the lid vent over the roast. Cook, rotating the roast 180 degrees after 45 minutes until the meat registers 140 degrees, 1.5 to 2 hours. Transfer the roast to a cutting board, tent with foil, and let rest for 30 minutes. For the chutney, place 3/4 cup of dry white wine, 1/2 cup of dried apricots diced, 1/2 cup of dried cherries, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar, 1 minced shallot, and 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger in a medium saucepan. Stir to combine. Bring to a simmer over medium heat. Cover and cook until the fruit is softened, about 10 minutes. Remove the lid and reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1.5 teaspoons of dry mustard, and continue to cook until slightly thickened, 4 to 6 minutes. Remove from heat and season with kosher salt. Transfer to a bowl and let stand at room temperature. Discard the twine, slice the pork a 1/4 inch thick, and serve with the chutney.